Hello. Hey, happy hump day. Happy hump day. This is Actors Daily Bread, episode 112. I want to welcome you. Let me just make sure I am on here on my phone because I'm on using Zoom today, switching it up a bit, but this is Actors Daily Bread. You're in the right place, episode 112. Today I'm talking about owning your name. Owning your name. Give me 1 second. Where's my screen? There I am. Awesome. So yes, I'm Christine Horn, professional working Hollywood actress of 20 plus years, and I'm a life and career coach for actors. You're watching Actors Daily Bread, where I teach actors how to crush their auditions, book more work, and live a life you love. And I just finished day 3 of my Booking Magnet Challenge. It's totally free. It's a 5-day challenge. So if you're an actor and you're not in that challenge, click the link below and just catch up, because we just had a really awesome class that I just finished. But I wanted to hop on and do an Actors Daily Bread because I haven't done one in like a few days. So it's 2018. First of all, to all my replay watchers who will watch this later, you know what's up. What's up, replay watchers? Love you guys. So it's 2018, and I really want to talk about getting your marketing together. And my page just froze, so I'm not going to see any questions. If you have a comment, be sure to say hi, say hello, let me know where you're watching from. But I want to talk about owning your name. And that really is about, for me, intellectual property, right? Intellectual property. And so I'm going to just make this video really quick. I'm having some technical difficulties here, so I'm going to have to look at comments later. If you are leaving me a comment, just be patient. But as you start 2018, I want you to own whatever you can own. So what do I mean by your name? I want you to own what we call your domain name. So if you look online for christinehorn.com, I own it. And it takes me back to, remember, like the singing groups, TLC, and all these people back in the day. People didn't really think about that. So their record labels would own their domain name. So even if they left that record label, they couldn't go back and just buy TLC.com or, whatever their artist name was, because their record label was already on top of that. So as artists, as actors, I want you to be on top of it now. You may be thinking, Christine, I'm not famous. Nobody knows me yet. But you may want to be. I want to be. I'm working hard every day to get more known and noticed in my career. So I bought my name a long time ago. But if you need a little help with how do you even go by your name, hang on, I'm going to share my screen with you really quick. Bear with me. So there's a website called GoDaddy.com. You can look here at the top. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get any money from this. There are other companies, Bluehost, oneandone.com, that offer the same thing. So you just want to find your domain name, right? And so when you land on any of these sites, for the sake of this, I'm at GoDaddy.com, and as soon as you land on the first page, you can type in what your name would be. And so my name is already taken, but let's say your name was Jessica Ramirez. All you have to do is type in Jessica Ramirez and type search domain, and it'll tell you if it's available or not. Unfortunately, JessicaRamirez.com is taken, but maybe you're Jessica Ramirez, maybe you're actress JessicaRamirez.com. Let's see what happens. It's available. So if my name was Jessica Ramirez and I was an actress and I wanted to own my domain name, I might buy that, Jessica Ramirez. If you have a middle initial, maybe you want to throw that in there, because maybe Jessica, let's see, whoever Jessica Ramirez is, maybe Jessica P. Ramirez, maybe that's your name. It's available. Jessica P. Ramirez is available. So it's really important to own your space in the world. So that's just a really quick way to find, this is called your domain name. Let me just see if I have any questions here. Hang on. Let me check the thread, because I want to make sure in case somebody's writing anything. Okay, no one's saying anything. No problem. Hey, Gustavo, thank you for watching. Okay, so if you're watching a replay, you can always ask me questions too. But this is just a quick tip. And what you can do is you don't have to go worry about building a whole new website, though you can use, there are companies like Wix.com, GoDaddy even offers website services, but it's as simple, this hair is doing something weird. So, but it's as simple as pointing it. So let's say you bought JessicaRamirez.com or GustavoSantos.com, right? You could point that to your resume on Actors Access or LA Casting, or you could point it to your IMDb page. And when I say point it, I just simply mean forward it. And you don't even have to worry about doing it. You could call customer service, whoever you buy your domain name from. And when you buy your domain name, it's usually for the year, where you can buy more years. Since it's your name, if you have the money, you can buy 5 years in advance. And it's typically, you can find a sale as a new customer to buy your domain name for 99 cents. I know GoDaddy, Bluehost, a bunch of those companies are trying to get new customers. So you can literally right now, tonight, buy your domain name for 99 cents. And that way, when you're marketing, or if you're making some business cards, or you're sending out some marketing love notes, you can put your website on the bottom, how I have mine, ChristineHorn.com. Now you can be JessicaRamirez.com, and it can point right to your IMDb page or to your actual resume online. This is all part of marketing and branding, and I hope you found this helpful. This is Actors Daily Bread. Do me a favor, give me some hearts, some thumbs up, some likes, and share it with a friend who you might think might find it helpful. Again, if you are not part of the free 5-day booking magnet challenge that I'm doing, you are totally missing out, because I'm teaching hundreds of actors just like you how to become a booking magnet, how to plan and strategize their bookings for the year. And we're in day 3. We just finished day 3, and we're doing some good stuff there. So it's free. I don't know what else you need. Come on and join us. I'll see you guys later. Good night.